Hello, welcome to UTCON. Today I will show you how to play in UTCON. When we first use this app, please bind your withdrawal information. Go to my page and click on Bind Bank Card. On the page of filling in bank card information, please fill in your correct withdrawal information. If you enter the wrong information, your withdrawal money will not be credited to your account. If so, please contact customer service immediately to solve the problem. Click here to enter your name. Click to choose your bank. Click here to enter the bank account number. Click here to enter IFSC code. Click to enter your mobile number. Click on Submit. After completing the binding, please set your payment password in the security center of my page. The payment password guarantees the safety of your funds. You need to enter it when you withdraw, buy or sell YTB. So please keep your payment password properly. Click here to enter the password. Click here to enter the password again. After completing binding the information, you can start earning money in UTCON. Click here to enter the novice tutorial. Watch the tutorial for freshers and get the experience of advertisers. There are two ways to make money in UTCON: become an advertiser or upgrade VIP. First, let me show you how to become an advertiser. Come to the advertiser page. We can see that advertisers of different levels have different revenues. You can become an advertiser free. As long as your account balance reaches the amount required of a certain star rate advertiser, you can receive the tasks of this advertiser. When you complete the task, the platform will award you YTB as a commission. After getting YTB, you can sell it in the trading center in exchange for cash, or you can continue to hold and wait for its price to rise. Then I show you how to do the advertiser task. Select a star-rated advertiser whose requirements your balance meets. Click here. Click here. You just need to finish the video to complete the task. This is how advertisers make money. Then I show you how VIP makes money. You can upgrade VIP without any investment. Come to the VIP page. To upgrade your VIP, you need to invite friends to our platform, so the advertiser's traffic will increase. You can see the number of valid members that each level of VIP needs to invite on the page. After completing the valid invitation required for a VIP level, you will be automatically upgraded to this level. After becoming VIP, you can receive the corresponding salary weekly. VIP membership is permanently valid. You can get the rebate from your subordinate advertiser's commission every day. Your withdrawal fees will decrease too. The higher your VIP level, the more your advertiser commission, which is up to 50%. The most important is that VIP has the right to buy YTB. As the price of YTB increases every day, you can get a high income easily. This is the invitation code. This is the invitation link. Invite your friends to join now. Then let me show you how to sell YTB. Come to the trading center. This is the quantity of your YTB. This is the price of YTB today. The price of YTB fluctuates. Click here to sell. Click here to enter the quantity you want to sell. Confirm to sell. Enter the transaction password. The transaction is completed. You can exchange YTB for cash at any time, or you can buy in UTCON Global Shopping Mall with YTB. The price of YTB will increase every day with the growth of platform traffic. The average daily income for each account is above 2%, and this is conservative data. If you hold YTB, you will enjoy a high income as its price rises every day. You can withdraw the transaction commission and the income of completing the advertiser task to your bank account. This is the introduction to the Utecoin 1.0. Utecoin Global Shopping Mall will be launched soon, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching.